What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilylah.ferrari, and today I am going to be showing you how to do your own individual lashes at home. So the lashes I'll be using today is by a company called Gollee. You guys, take a look at their website right here. They have so many great options and beautiful lashes to choose from. The ones I'm going to be using today is in the number F8 and F1. The packaging of these lashes are super chic and very pretty. It's black and gold. It comes with clustered lashes so that you don't have to make your own fan. I find that really super helpful when I want to do my own lashes because I don't have to create fans, and it already come with the fans for me. They also sent two of their glues. One glue is the gold glue. Love the packaging. And when you take your glue out, it's also white and gold. I love that about this company because everything seems super neat, you guys. When you open it up, it has a applicator that makes things super easy. And this is the other glue that it came in. This glue right here lasts longer. And last but not least, it came with its own tweezer. I love that the tweezer has its own logo on it. It says Gollee right there, and it's super cute and super chic. It is the shorter tweezer, and it will be so much easier to grab and put onto my own lashes. So I have a mirror here, and this mirror is going to help me see underneath my eyes. This mirror tilts.
Let's get started. You want to pull your eyelid upwards so that you can see the bottom of your lashes. You want to take the false eyelash and paste it down for about 3 seconds, and then use the back of the tweezer to paste that down and make sure it's secure.
So when you're doing this, try not to get it onto your skin. I love this volume. Look how pretty that is. I'm so in love. So I just thought of a technique to make your lashes last longer. You can use both of the adhesives. I'm gonna take this adhesive and I'm going to apply it underneath my lashes like it's mascara, so that the eyelash can last longer. Alright, so this eye dried pretty quick. I'm waiting for the next eye to dry. I'm gonna take the black glue, apply it at the tip of the eyelash band, and I'm gonna pull my eyelid upwards and attach that on to my eyelashes. And then you want to just push down. You can even squeeze with the tweezer and your lashes together, and you can also use the back of the tweezer to push that into your lashes. That is super pretty, you guys. I think doing both of the glues at the same time is super helpful and quicker. Your process would be like about 10 to 15 minutes. So far, so pretty. Now I'm going to take my smaller length, which is the 18-inch, and I'm going to fill in the inner corner. So these are how the fans look. You can also cut them. The 18-inch ones are more separated, and I like that, but I can also cut in between right there and have a smaller fan if I want it. The 18 is a lot smaller than the 22-inch, and I actually like that. So you guys, I've realized that when you put it on the lashes, you have to hold on for a few seconds and then let go. I was just putting it on and expecting it to just stick right away, but that's not the case, you guys. You have to hold it for just like 3 seconds, and once you let go, it will stick. Like right now, they're not even moving, you guys. Like, I'm so happy, and they're not even dry all the way, but I'm super satisfied. And I learned also that the box has small clusters at the top and then longer clusters. I really like these lashes because the glue is really easy to work with, you guys. The lashes are super fluffy. It feels like real human hair. I love the way it's making it look super cute and flirty. This will make my makeup super easy to do. I love how this is coming out so far, and I'm gonna just continue to like fill it in little bit by little bit. And at the end of the day, I still have a lot left to where throughout the week I can fill it in more if I feel like I need more lashes. Thank you so much, Gollee, for this beautiful eyelash kit that I love so much. I feel super pretty in this, and I would suggest everyone to go and get their hands on these eyelash kits. I will leave the link down below. Super easy to do at home. You won't regret it. And don't forget to visit the link down below. You guys click on the Gollee website and go purchase you some lashes. They're super affordable. It comes in a kit with all the glues and stuff and the tweezers. I love it. I know that you will love it. And thank you for tuning in to today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Be great out there.